We are a privately held company owned by one owner. He works on the premises each and every day. So he's here. We are a custom job shop. So as we go through the shop, you'll notice one of these, one of those, a couple dozen of these. Every job is different every day. Handrail for a swimming pool. And as we go on, we have all the fabrication equipment necessary. Alpha laser, fiber optic laser. We have press brakes. We have shears, small rolls, and what have you. High definition plasma, pointed at me.
Okay.
High definition plasma. It will cut bevels while it's cutting the holes, as well as a chuck. With a fifth axis for doing structural steels. Tubing, square, round, I-beams, channel, what have you. Complete machine shop with both standard manual and CNC equipment. Robotic welder over here.
Oh, wow.
600-ton press brake. This is an example of what I need someone to do on a daily basis. When the operator finishes clearing the chips off, cleaning up around the area, so I can use my machinist on another machine. And the same holds true down there. Let's point the camera at this table. This table has a lot of sludge, and when we change the tables out, we drain all the water out, but it's still a sloppy mess in there. I pull the trays out and I replace the trays, but the gunk that's left has got to come out of there.
Okay.
Get an idea of the different equipment. This is the Welding fabrication shop. These are burner tubes for aluminum electric. We have to modify the ends of them. These are some cages for a customer. I don't even know the final application. Stainless steel cylinders. This is a unit for Citgo Petroleum. We have made this from scratch, all from flat plate. We've done all the forming, rolling, welding. We are Section 8 and Section 9 pressure vessel code shop and steam. You can't see it very well, but this has two sets of blades. One rotates counterclockwise, the other clockwise.
Oh. Oh.
This is the roll and the saw area. And you'll notice all the structural steel that we have on hand. We store aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel structure. And part of what I'm hoping is the individual that comes to this in a cleanup capacity will ultimately start out on the saw or a set of rolls or welding. Depends on what skill set he brings to the party.
Right.